Find links to other videos in this series in the description below, and subscribe for the ongoing updates. In this first video in this series, we looked at how teachers can start achieving higher levels of data visualization. Now, we take a look at a filtering paradigm from big data down to focus on single student and grouping strategies. The whole school, top tier or bird's eye view level is the best way to track achievement as a whole. Having this perspective, especially contrasted over years, is a great place to start reflecting on the efficacy of all programs. This is the first step in the filtration process. Elementary, middle, and high school divisions can start to identify areas of concern. The smaller the datasets, the more useful the data becomes. Once we get to the subject level, we can have discussions related to strategies for targeted groups. This is where we can use data for the greatest impact to improve student outcomes for targeted students in need. This is the full cycle. By starting with big data, we are able to continually filter down to target areas of greatest need. This, in turn, then filters upwards, and we should start to see improved outcomes as we move back up. As we then reflect on our data visualizations in subsequent years, the process should be visible in greater levels of achievement as a whole school. When we apply both of these models to our practice as a faculty committed to the use of learning analytics and data visualization, we can track and demonstrate our dedication to improved outcomes to all children in our care.
The world is a remix.